This is India's domestically developed aircraft seat ejection system. It was successfully tested at extremely high speed using a rocket sled setup simulating real flight conditions. The trial confirmed flawless canopy separation, accurate ejection sequencing, and complete aircrew recovery performance. A dual-sled configuration recreated the aircraft's forebody and ensured realistic aerodynamic forces during testing. An instrumented test dummy measured crucial loads and accelerations to verify maximum pilot safety standards. This breakthrough places India among the few nations capable of independently testing advanced ejection seat technology.